Hi, in this video I'm going to replace the battery on a Tissot PRC200. Tools that you will require: a case opener tool, a tool to remove the split pin, and a replacement battery. I'm using a Renata 394. You need to undo the strap by removing the split pin like so. Take care while removing the pin. Yeah, the pin just flew off. Keep the pin in a safe place. I will use this case opener tool to unscrew the back. To open, turn the back cover counterclockwise. There we have the back cover off, and now we need to remove this plate. Keep the plate aside. You need to pry out the old battery. There is usually a clip that holds the battery, and you take the battery out like so. Now I will install the new battery. Please do not make the mistake like I have done by touching the terminals of the battery with your bare fingers, as it can drain the cell. Use gloves or use insulated tweezers for doing the job. Put back the new battery like so. Put back the middle cover, and you will need to lube the gasket with silicone lube. Put back the back cover by turning clockwise. Fix the strap by putting back the split pin. So that's how you replace the battery on a Tissot PRC200.
Halloween time! Halloween time! Halloween time! Huh? Yay!
everything working fine. Hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.